Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Before I get started, I wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Today is Mother's Day, and I certainly hope everyone is safe, happy, and healthy. Alright, I'm getting ready to unbox the May limited edition kit from My Creative Scrapbook. So let's get going. Okay, let's see what we've got. Here we have, our 3 packs of Prima Flowers. Ooh, sparkles. This one's got lots of sparkles. Very pretty. Pinks and greens, much as you would expect for a spring month kit. Here's some darker colors, and it has some black in it, and I really like that. All right, beautiful. Ooh, and we have another color bloom. Let's see. Magic Stone. I wonder if I have that one. Magic Stone. I don't know. I'll have to see. If I have it, then I will put it aside. I keep my extras for giveaways. So, but that's really pretty. All right, here is our ephemera, and I will open that at the end. But I think we'll get a sneak peek as to what's inside from our chipboard stickers. Aren't these pretty? Very nice. Oh, hey, that was stuck to the back. All right, so, okay, we have our chipboard stickers. I think this is just the one, which is fine. Okay, and this is also from Simple Stories, which, I'm sorry, these were from Simple Stories. And oh, what a pretty stencil. It's called Branch and Butterfly. Very pretty. I like that. Okay, and oh, let's see. This one's in its own little packaging. Well, that's unusual. Oh, look. You know, I've gotten one that had this before. I wonder if they found out that keeping it in packaging helps to keep some of them from falling out, maybe? I don't know, but isn't that pretty? I'll have to, here, let me get some scissors and open that. Aren't these images just beautiful? Oh, and I love the little lace pieces. And these are laser cut, which is awesome because it cuts right up to the edge, so you don't have that little white border that goes around it. I love it. I love getting these. Isn't that pretty? All right, let me sit this gently to the side. And let's see what we've got. Wow, this is a sticker page. Oh, that's awesome. That's great. You know, I love to use stickers, these little flat ones, because a lot of things we do, we want to keep flat. We really don't want a lot of bulk. And if you have a really pretty sticker or stickers like with the sentiment, that's just perfect. It just comes in really handy to have pretty high quality stickers that you can use in your projects where you don't want a lot of bulk. So yeah, oh, I love that. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at this. And yeah, it looks like everything except for the Prima Flowers so far has been from Simple Stories. Simple Vintage Cottage Field is the name of the collection. And this page is called Embrace Each Day. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, with the black and the little, it's really subtle. Can you see that? So pretty. Oh, and that's nice too. Now, Simple Stories, these are not nearly as thick as, you know, like your 49 and Market, or even Prima's papers, cardstock. It's a little bit thinner. It's thicker than printer paper, but yeah, it's not super thick. But again, that comes in handy as well too, especially if you're doing a project that folds into itself. If you're working with paper, sometimes having just thick paper is not helpful to your end goal, and it's nice to have a thinner paper. So that's great. It's nice to have a combination of both, and so far she does that in the kit. Pam really puts together kits, and some months it's really heavy paper, and some months it's like this. Oh my goodness, look, isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful images. This page is called Natural Beauty. It is. Naturally beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Polka dots. And there's that little strip. I love that. All right, that's a beautiful page. Stitch right there. And here we go. We have some great print, which is wonderful to use in journals. I'm not sure which way is up. Some of them are upside down. But anyway, very nice, nice page. This one is called Sweet Life. Oh, that's nice too. Isn't that nice? Just beautiful paper. I love paper. Have you guessed? If you watch my videos, you know how much I love paper. Okay. Oh, that's nice too. This one is called Dream More. We all need to dream more. Oh, isn't that neat? How unusual. Huh. Butterflies all have like newsprint or writing on them. Very cool. That's neat. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Very full page. Beautiful flowers. This page is called Simple Things. Lots of flowers and some butterflies. Very nice. And, oh, pink with black polka dots. I like that. Pink and black go great together. Black just makes everything pop, doesn't it? I mean, there's a variety of colors on here, but with the black background, everything just pops. So it's really, if you're not used to working with black paper or paint or whatever you do, you should try using it because it works great as a background. Gorgeous. Oh, that's nice. This one is called Beautiful Moments. Yeah, beautiful moments. Little bird singing, butterflies and flowers. Ooh, wow, look at that one. That's another really busy page. Smaller images though. See, look at that. Look at the difference in size. And that can come in handy too, you know, when working with certain projects as well. Because sometimes you want to keep things in the appropriate size as to other papers or images you might be using. So that comes in really handy too. It's really, it's similar, but kind of scaled down. So that's neat. Let's see. Very nice. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I love that. That's really nice. This one's called Hello Happy. Hello Happy. Aw. Butterflies do make you happy. They make me happy. Oh, wow, that's neat. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Cool beans. Ooh, wow. Another image put on top of black background. Very cool. This one's called Live for Today. Yay. It's just a butterfly burst. Oh, nice. Little fern leaves and butterflies. Very pretty. Oh, and here we go. Here's a page we can cut out. Uses the sentiment or a focal point. Very nice. I like it. Ooh, little clusters. You know, it's nice to have repeating patterns like this. Especially, actually like one, well, I guess these do kind of have a direction, but it can be really nice to have pretty paper that doesn't go a specific direction because, you know, as paper crafters, we're always folding and, you know, folding our paper, and it's a little awkward when things are upside down, which a lot of times it doesn't matter, but sometimes you're like, no, you know, I really don't want that to be upside down. When I fold to make the pocket, I would rather the image be, you know, upright. So this gives you a few options. I don't know that you could do it this way because that's clearly upside down, but you could probably get by with the other three sides, doing it on the sides and then doing it upright. Very nice. Oh, here's another one. These ones are bigger. Very cool. Gosh, there's a ton of paper in this collection. Very pretty. I really like that image right there with the wood. Little flower and butterfly and lace. Love, that's pretty. I like it. I like that too. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Look how subtle. Can you see that image? Or those images? Oh, I love it. Oh, you know what? Shame on me. I don't think I told you the name of the page back here. This one was 2 by 2 elements. 2 by 2 elements. And this one is 3 by 4 elements. So I guess that gives you the dimension of how big these cards are. These are 2 by 2 and these are 3 by 4. Makes sense. Yep, pretty. Oh, guess what? This one is 4 by 4. Wow, this one really is giving us a variety of sizes. Normally you probably only get one page. And, you know, whatever size it is the size you get. But wow, this one gives us a variety. Again, it comes in handy. Maybe you're making a small card and you don't want an image this big. And maybe you're making a 6 by 6 card and the other images just would be too small to be your focal point. So again, super handy and convenient. Oh wow, look at that one. Oh, see now this one, look, it's got some that are going in other directions. So that would be a good one that you could use to fold. Okay, and this is again the 4 by 4 elements. And 4 by 6, we're getting bigger. 4 by 6. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that nice? I could just see that as a tag. I don't know, something about that screaming tag. I could see it as a pretty background for a tag. Maybe it's trying to tell me something. Okay, that's 4 by 6. Oh, look. Oh, and this is 49 in Market. Wow, look at the difference in thickness is pretty dramatic. I have to be honest. 49 in Market papers are really, really sturdy. But isn't that just gorgeous? I love that. This is, let's see, Vintage Artistry and Color Collectors Editors Volume 1. Paper 3. Okay. Part of their Vintage Artistry collection. That's really pretty. Let's see what's on the back. Ooh, wow. What a gorgeous color. I'm not sure how it's coming through on the video, but it's like a red, but it's kind of a rusty looking red. It's kind of a brownish red. It's just beautiful. Very nice. Oh, and another one. Okay, another 49 in Market, and it is with that same collection. Why does that say paper 1 also? Hold on. That can't be the name of both of them. Let's see. Well, they have different item numbers, so I wonder if that's how they distinguish. Huh. Okay, that was our first one. And then here's our second one, which I absolutely love. Look, it's kind of got the watercolor effect. It's beautiful. Oh, nice, just beautiful, soft background. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love their paper. Beautiful. All right, let me get this together. Well, actually, I always forget. Okay, let's just move that out of the way. And where is my packet of ephemera? There we go. Because we get a glimpse of some of the items that's in our ephemera packet, but usually there are more items in here than there are stickers. So let's take a quick look and see. Okay. Oh, nice. We have some big images. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's just so pretty. Love that. And let's see. Normally I pull out my tweezers, and I of course can't find them now. Uh-oh. I'll have to try to stumble around with my big fingers. Very nice. So we've got some butterflies, and we have some round elements. And of course, pretty images. Okay. Oh, we have lots of sentiments here as well. the good stuff. The best ever. All right. Well, if you can't see it well right now, I do take close-up pictures of everything in the kit. So do stay tuned to the end of the video and you will get a close-up view of everything. Front and back pictures of the papers and you know, as close as I can get the picture and have everything in it of everything else. So, all right, let me get it cleaned up and I'll be right back with you. Okay, time to recap. We have 2 49 and Market papers. We have 12 Simple Stories papers. We've got a sticker sheet. We have a laser cut sheet of ephemera. We have 1 chipboard stickers. We have a stencil. We have a packet of ephemera. We have a color bloom, fine shimmer spray, and magic stone. And we have 3 packs of Prima Flowers that will go with all of the papers. Wow, there was so much in this kit. That is so awesome. So if you're interested, I always put a link. I am not affiliated with them in any way. I just really enjoy getting their kit. And if you're interested, then by all means, take a look at their page, and there are a variety of kits you can get other than the limited edition one. And if that doesn't suit your fancy, then go out and look. There are other companies that offer kits as well. And kits is a great way to get started into paper crafting or card making, journaling, really anything. It doesn't have to be just for making cards or just for doing layouts. So I do encourage you to check them out because all of these items are put together with the purpose of giving you items to choose from that you know go together. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd love it if you give me those likes. I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment. Do you like my unboxing videos? Do you like the pictures at the end? I'd love to hear from you. All right, that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.